Lately, I've been getting a ton of messages about this 45-watt charger with a screen, and people are honestly confused. Like, why doesn't it show battery info? Why won't Samsung hit max speed? Some people even think their unit is broken. So today, I'm testing the 5 most common questions people have. Let's see if this Anker Smart Display Charger is actually worth it. Let's start with the most common misunderstanding. A lot of people plug in their phone, see that the charger screen doesn't show the battery level, and assume the feature is missing. But that's not the case. You need to use a USB-C to USB-C cable, and your device has to support the right protocol to display full information. But with older Lightning iPhones or some Android devices, it'll only display the charging wattage. This next one is even more confusing. A lot of people think it's a touchscreen, but it's not. You actually have to tap the charger. A single tap controls the screen and lets you cycle through info. When the screen is off, a tap wakes it up. Each tap cycles through different pages: current wattage, temperature status, charging mode, and battery level. A double tap switches charging modes. Auto mode gives you full 45-watt fast charging, prioritizing speed. Care mode lowers power and temperature to protect your battery, perfect for overnight charging. A triple tap flips the screen 180 degrees, and a long press, about 2 seconds, turns the screen off completely. Yes, but there's a catch. It'll charge, just not at full speed. So you won't get super fast charging 2.0. As for laptops, a MacBook Pro, it works in a pinch, but power fluctuates. It's not ideal. A lot of people ask, why does it get so warm? That's actually completely normal. With 45-watt high-power fast charging, heat is inevitably generated during energy conversion. Plus, GaN components are compact, so the heat is more concentrated. So feeling warm, or even a bit hot during charging is expected behavior. As long as it's not uncomfortably hot to the touch, doesn't have any unusual smell, or isn't overheating abnormally, it's within safety standards and won't affect performance or lifespan. As for why it doesn't always charge at 45 watts, even though the charger supports up to 45 watts output, the actual charging power depends on the device's protocol, battery level, and temperature. When your phone reaches a higher battery percentage, it automatically switches to trickle charging, significantly reducing power to protect the battery. At the same time, every device has its own input limit, so maintaining a constant 45 watts isn't realistic. No need to worry about the screen staying on all night. It turns off automatically in 30 to 60 seconds. Besides, you can also turn on the care mode. Once enabled, the charger charges gently with lower heat, lower peak power, and slow trickle charging. It avoids damaging the battery from high voltage fast charging, making it the healthiest and safest way to charge overnight. Alright, let's wrap this up with real-world experience and who this is actually for. After using it for a while, I'd say this Anker 45-watt smart display charger really hits that sweet spot. Great design, super practical, and genuinely thoughtful for battery health. The screen adds a nice techie feel, and the foldable plug makes it perfect for travel. Who I'd highly recommend this for? If you're on an iPhone 15 or 16, care about your battery health, like seeing real-time power and battery info, or you tend to charge overnight by your bedside, this is a no-brainer. Also great if you travel a lot and want something compact and easy to carry. Who I wouldn't really recommend it for. If you're a Samsung user chasing absolute max charging speeds, a hardcore tech enthusiast, or still using an older Lightning iPhone, you're not going to get the full experience here, especially with the display features, so the value just isn't as strong. And one last thing, it doesn't come with a cable in the box. So make sure you grab a solid USB-C to USB-C cable if you want to unlock the full 45-watt performance and get the best experience. Alright, that's it for today on the Anker Smart Display Charger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.